Hello guys, welcome to our masterclass. The last video we did, we created a bit, this page here. Uh, so we are going to try to add some parts to it, and then let's see how we can make a beautiful production out of this. Alright, so what we are going to do, I'm going to try to add a part. So I will come here, okay, plugins, more plugins. I have Cork Tritone here, so I'll see our Tritone. So here we have it. Yes, double click this. Then, alright, so here is it. I'll come here. Let's type in part PAD. Since we have, if we come down here, there's one part here, so we click that and alright, I have my MIDI keyboard here with me. So let's see how we can layer that on our beat. Okay, let's create a pattern. Okay, we call this a part PAD. Okay, so now we are going to layer our part. So we record, we press record, and then we play. Alright, let's go. Alright, that should do. So we stop there. Okay, so let's listen to this. Alright, it sounds well. So what we are going to do, we are going to try to copy it. No. As not what we wanted to do. Alright, okay. So what we are going to do, we are copying it. First we go to grid and keep it on line so we can copy it. Let's see if it's directly on. Alright, so we just copy this, we keep going. Now let's take this till okay, it's on 1 minute. Oh, it was on 1 minute. Okay, alright, so we'll cut it somewhere there, cut it somewhere here, cut that somewhere so that we can delete it off. Now what we can do as well is we'll come here, track 2, right click, and we do what is first. Let's rename it. Let's rename it to pad. Okay, we can color it if we choose so let's make it blue. All right, so now we right click the pad and then consolidate this track from song start with and then start. So by consolidating means we convert this from MIDI samples to audio clips. All right, so it's now an audio clip, so we can delete this. One. So these lessons they load on our CPU. So this is just an audio clip of our part. Let's play it. That way till here. All right. Okay. So in our next class, we try to layer the piano.